So this next one I believe is a U-boat, Spirit of 76. This one I have a few of. I think I have, well, there's two in the corner and then there's one down there, but I think this one, I'm not sure if this one runs. The light comes on. Maybe not. So this one's gonna need some work. It wants to run. Try backwards maybe. Oh. Oh, looks like it can. Oh, there we go. Try one more time. Oh. It wants to go. Well, I'll definitely have to look at this one. This one, it looks like it wants to go because the light is definitely on. And it did move like a few centimeters and out 2 points in the video. So, I'll have to work on this one. But other than that, everything else seems fine. I mean, it looks in good condition and stuff. Both couplers are on it. So I think if I work on this, it'll be a good runner.